Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a great Christmas. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make dry rub air fried chicken wings. It's so easy, so delicious. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. Before I begin, if you're new, please do not forget to subscribe. Like this video for me if it was helpful, and let's dive in. We're going to start by patting dry our wings. I'm using 1.5 pounds of wings. I'm going to pat it dry just like this because we do want this chicken wings to be nice and crispy. You want to make sure there's no type of water on there because it's gonna boil as soon as you put it in the air fryer. And make sure to take out your chicken wings out of the fridge at least 20 minutes prior to cooking it because you don't want to air fry this while it's cold. So once I'm done patting everything down just like this, I'm going to pour a little bit of olive oil. Then we're going to mix that just like this. Now I am going to grab my seasoning. I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, ground black pepper with some salt and some paprika. Just sprinkle that all over. The dry rub is coming after, so you just wanna lightly season this. Well, not lightly, but all the flavor is coming from the dry rub. So just want to add that on here. And also, this is what's going to make it nice and crispy. We have a little bit of cornstarch here. Okay, I have about 2 tablespoons. Mix that just like that. It's gonna make it nice and crispy. Now, if you don't have cornstarch, you can use baking powder. It'll make it crispy as well. And just like this, it is ready to go in the air fryer. Now it's time to air fry the wings. Just make sure you give them some space when you add them on here so they can be nice and crispy. Now this air fryer will be down below. I've used it several times. I love using it. It's nice and wide, easy to clean. As you guys can see, very spacious. Now this is non-stick. That's why I didn't add any non-stick spray. I'm going to let this go for 20 minutes on 375. For 20 minutes. All right. My wings are finally done. I actually air fry them for about 25 to 30 minutes, okay? They are looking good. They are looking absolutely crispy. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So crispy. It's like they're fried. Literally. You'll hear that sound? That's what we're talking about. Crunchy, crispy on the outside. Oof. Yes, ma'am. Perfect, just like that. I want you to hear that crunch and crispiness. Listen. You hear that? Now that's what I'm talking about. Now we're going to add the dry seasoning. You can add some butter here, but we don't need any extra butter. As soon as you get it out the air fryer, you're going to add all of these dry seasoning, some thyme, oregano, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, sugar. Yes, yes, yes. You need to balance everything. Give it a toss. Ooh. Give it a nice toss, just like this. Ooh, I can smell it already. And there you have it. Nice, delicious, crispy Louisiana dry rub chicken wings. All right, guys, it's time for the taste test. Let's do it. So crispy, you can hear it. The sound. Oh, you see, perfectly cooked. Wow. These are good. Absolutely delicious. Crispy. Do me a favor, whenever you're craving some Louisiana dry rub, try these. Do not go to Wingstop because these are way better and you get more bang for your buck. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below if you're going to try these out. Also, like this video if you enjoy it. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.